What's up guys, and welcome to the quick speed test comparison between the Realme 5 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10. As the Realme 5 Pro is a mid-range smartphone while the Samsung Galaxy S10 is a flagship device, and also both of the smartphones have got 8 GB of RAM, so this is going to be interesting speed test between both of the smartphones. Though the Samsung Galaxy S10 have got updated chipset as compared to the Realme 5 Pro, but let's see which one is faster between both of the smartphones. So let's start the speed test without wasting any time. So as always, the first test will be a boot up test, and let's go. Let's see who will be the winner of this boot up test. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. As logos are moving around on both of the smartphones, and well, the Samsung Galaxy S10 started up faster while the Realme 5 Pro is still taking time. Well, it was about 4 second difference between both of the smartphones. Well, let me show you guys, both of the smartphones have got Android updated version. So as always, starting from some basic stuff, and the first one is phone dialer. Well, slightly faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 settings. Well, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. Now here are some third party applications that I'm going to test on both of the smartphones, and the first one is color switch. Well, slightly faster on the Galaxy S10. Subway Surfers. Both are in loading, and well, again slightly faster on the Galaxy S10. PUBG Mobile. Well, it was a big difference between both of the smartphones, and the Samsung Galaxy S10 was about 6 seconds faster with this application. Quite disappointing from the Realme 5 Pro. Now moving on, Fruit Ninja. Again faster on the Galaxy S10. Pinout. Slightly faster on the Galaxy S10 once again. Zedge. Well, it was slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro, the first application which won by the Realme 5 Pro. Climb 2. Both are in the loading, and the Galaxy S10 was about 3 seconds faster with this application. Smash It. Again slightly faster on the Galaxy S10. YouTube. Well, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. So guys, it was a speed test comparison between the Realme 5 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10. Though both of the smartphones have got 8 GB of RAM, but as you guys saw here, most of the tests were by the Samsung Galaxy S10. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is a flagship smartphone, and the Samsung will never disappoint their customer when it comes to the flagship devices. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones, especially for gaming purpose, so the Galaxy S10 could be the best choice for you. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and keep supporting us.